Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at Old School Yotas. Let's roll, let's go, let's take it home. Here we got turbo, keep up. Here we have a Celica in the wild. There's the MR2. Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at Old School Yotas, and today we have the 2T-C. We taking it apart somewhat. Today we took the distributor, the intake manifold with the carburetor, the fuel pump. We took all of the spark plug wires. We took the front thermostat housing, the water pump with the fan clutch and the fan. We took the air conditioning unit that was there. We also took, let's see here, we have taken the exhaust manifold with the air injection system. That's off. And we took the starter motor out. I am going to try to put the transmission on this car and the starter back in there, because I want to kind of crank this car up. I mean, this motor, not the car, the motor. And it is free. And we'll spin it right now real quick just see, so you guys can see it is free. It's not locked up or nothing. You can hear it. So she's free, and it's a shame, but it almost had the sticker here where it says 2T-C. But yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy cleaned up and test it and send the head out, machine it. And I don't know, I was gonna put this on the Samurai, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the Datsun. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. I love this engine so much, and I don't even know. I just think the Samurai deserves a more modern engine. The Datsun, the B210, this will be a perfect candidate for the B210. It's a 2T-C. I gotta clean that down there, and I know you guys can't see that, but it's a 2T-C. All right, short video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe and like my channel and share and make any comments or questions. Toyotero says goodbye. Peace. Here I'm gonna make the video real quick for you guys while I'll take it apart. Enjoy. I'm started with taking the air conditioning bracket with the air conditioning compressor. There are only 4 14mm bolts holding the entire unit. Taking a whiff of the oil dipstick. Here I'm going to remove the fan
and the entire water pump with the clutch and everything. Everything's coming out. I'm taking the exhaust manifold out. Checking the exhaust valves. Starter motor coming right out. Water pump is out. Now onto the thermostat housing. Working on some corroded 10mm hose clamps, stubborn ones. Moving into the air injection pipes, exhaust side. There she comes right out. Taking some of them vacuum hoses off, and then we're gonna move right into the intake manifold. We're gonna take them hoses off, and then now we're gonna take them 12mm nuts and bolts, and it'll be right out. Actually fighting the distributor. It was kind of hard to come off, but I had to lubricate with rust penetrant and use a flat screwdriver and push it in and out several times, and it came out. Now we're really gonna take off the whole intake manifold with the carburetor, then the fuel pump. Here I'm removing the spark plug wires. So that I don't lose my bolts, I put them back where I got them from. Here I'm putting the 14mm bolts in on the starter motor. Putting all the parts that I took off in a little bin container. I'm actually picking up the mess.